Very good afternoon. Welcome to the big story. I'm Afrida Rahman Ali. Yes, we are going to talk about the scuffle that took place last evening and the trading of charges that are happening even as we speak between the ruling party and the opposition parties. Remember, there was a massive protest earlier today in Vijay Chowk outside Parliament. The latest now is a shocking video of unprecedented scuffle in Rajya Sabha has emerged, where Centre has mounted an offensive on the opposition leaders, asking them to apologize for creating the ruckus in Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha. The government is referring to this video released by the BJP, saying that marshals were deployed as the opposition wanted to damage the dignity of the House. The video was released hours after Congress MP Rahul Gandhi made a big allegation, saying that the government had called outsiders dressed as marshals to assault MPs, including women. First, let's listen in to what Piyush Goyal had to say about marshals being deployed in the House.
Action should be taken on this deplorable misconduct and physical manhandling and assault on the parliamentary staff, parliamentary security, which was trying to protect the table of the House, which was trying to protect the chair. मात्र 12 महिला मार्शल्स और 18 पुरुष मार्शल्स, कुल 30 मार्शल्स, 18 men पुरुष, 12 महिलाएं, सिर्फ 30 मार्शल्स डिप्लॉय हुई थी.
Well, the opposition has launched a multi-pronged attack on the centre, blaming the centre for the abrupt end of the monsoon session ahead of schedule, saying this happened because bills were passed without debate and discussion. The opposition was forced to raise protest over it. There is a murder of democracy, with the representation from the opposition parties clearly silenced, which Rahul Gandhi says is 60% of the population of this country. The issue clearly, like I said, has aggravated further now with what happened post 7 p.m. in Rajya Sabha. Remember, all of the footage is not available to us. What we do have are clips that are released of roughly 3 minutes duration, which shows members of parliament jostling with the marshals. Clearly, there is chaos and commotion happening around the well of the House. But in these videos, we do not see any MPs being assaulted as such. We do see one Congress MP, jostling with one of the marshals. That is all that the recently released videos show. The opposition clearly claiming that marshals were deployed with an intention of physically restraining the members of parliament, which is unprecedented. And while the government, of course, continues to maintain that this is deliberate obstruction with no intent of discussion, stooping to new laws of unparliamentary behavior that has destroyed the sanctity of parliament. So in this backdrop, let's hear both the sides. I'm going to introduce Dr. Anshul Avijit, national spokesperson of the Congress party, Raman Malik, spokesperson of the BJP. Welcome, gentlemen. Thanks for joining us here on The Big Story. Mr. Malik, first question to you on the point of selective release of video. 3 minutes duration, 3 clips. Some of the footage, of course, is repetitive. That cannot be sort of indicative of what happened in that entire period of time. So can you substantiate your claims purely on the basis of this video that you have released?
See, on the onset, I must say, and this is very responsibly I am saying, that today democracy in the upper house of the Indian Parliament is a victim to the tyrants from the opposition of the democracy. And these people think that it is their proprietary right to always be in the governance. I also have a substantial claim today that these people do not deserve to be in the upper house. As a citizen of India, I condemn them being there in the sitting in the upper house of the parliament, because these people do not even know how to treat themselves and respectfully place themselves as respected member of the upper house of the parliament. You are talking about this 3-minute video, ma'am, as just the press conference which is concluded.
Yes.
I can very well say that the government has full intentions that this incident should not be let go of. a proper inquiry must be held, and those people, these very tyrants of democracy, should be punished if they are found guilty in the entire process. They stand up on the table and chairs of the parliament.
Okay.
This
All
is
right.
what you want to show us? You want to tear paper and throw on the chair?
No, but you are referring to honorable members of the upper house, Mr. Raman Malik. When you say these people, let's remember that they are representatives of the people of this country.
No, they are not
and also when you say tyrants of democracy,
Sorry.
very strong words. Let Anshul respond. Yes, let Anshul respond. I'll come back to you. And yes, who are you referring to as the tyrants? Manoj Jha, Sanjay Raut, Rahul Gandhi. Mr. Sharad Pawar, Raman Malik, has said that in his 55 years career, he has not seen marshals being deployed.
10 seconds. Just 10 seconds. Can I have 10 seconds, please?
Sure.
Sanjay Raut is a person who made a vulgar remark against a lady actor, Kangana Ranaut, for saying its situation is like POK. When he stands in the
No, let's not go into that. Let's stick to what
area,
happened
and he
yesterday and the claims that are being made. I'm going to allow both the sides to make their points.
What should be broken of his?
No, these are statements made by a multitude of parties. It's not just Rahul Gandhi, and we've heard them all. It includes Samajwadi Party, RJD, NCP, Shiv Sena, Congress. Yes, so it's not about one Sanjay Raut here that we are going to focus on. Okay, Anshul, respond. I'll come back to you, Mr. Malik. I gave you your time. Anshul.
Deeply, deeply ironical that Mr. Malik is calling the opposition tyrants when they've not been in power for 7 years. It's quite the opposite. It's this government that has been acknowledged internationally for being tyrants. It's been called an elected autocracy. It's been called less freer than it was. There's been a ceaseless curb on our civil liberties since this time the government took office. They've destroyed, subverted our agencies. They use it as a hand weapon to do their malicious sort of agendas. And you're calling this government tyrants. You know, these pictures, Frida, are highly unpleasant. I wish we didn't have to see them, but they only tell half the story. And you rightly asked Mr. Raman that question. Where are the rest of the footage that is not shown to us? The entire truth will not come out. And this kind of inquiry that you're talking about,
but then, you know, the claims that are being made, you know, a minister in the government today, Anshul, is saying one of the marshals were literally strangulated. Of course, that is not visible here. But are you saying they're all lying about it? Part of this is, of course, visible of where a lady marshal is being manhandled, is being pushed by a Congress MP. You know, that part is actually being shown in the footage. Do you condone that behavior is what I'm asking.
This is
Congress
just
MP,
being entirely melodramatic. Frida, you should have been in Bollywood and not come here and given a press conference. Do you think that it's possible to actually, you know, manhandle a marshal or whatever words they use? They use very, very dramatic language. Do you think that is possible? We didn't see it. Do you think that is possible? Why don't they release the entire footage? You know why things have come to a head like this is because of the unyielding attitude, the obduracy.
Yes, unfortunately, we don't have the entire footage. Let's listen in, Anshul. Let's listen in to the leader of your party, Mallikarjun Kharge, and Manoj Jha, and then I'll ask Mr. Raman Malik to respond. Let's listen in first.
सरकार ने ऐसा इंतजाम कर लिया था, लीडर ऑफ द हाउस ने ऐसा इंतजाम कर लिया था कि 50-60 मार्शल्स को बाहर से लाया। वो कौन से थे, क्या थे, किनको मालूम है। और उसी ढंग से 15-20 महिलाओं को भी उन्होंने लाया और सील्ड बनाकर वहाँ पर रख दिया। और जो कांग्रेस के 2 महिलाएं राज्यसभा मेंबर थे, उनके साथ भी और तृणमूल और कांग्रेस के छाया वर्मा और हमने नेता उनके साथ भी हुआ।
माननीय उपराष्ट्रपति जी को हमने ये साफ बता दिया, चूंकि हमारे हमारे सदन की गरिमा और प्रतिष्ठा उनके हाथ में है, उसको आघात पहुंचाया गया, उसकी हमने सूचना दी और उम्मीद करते हैं कि बहुत ही सार्थक पहल करेंगे।
सर, सीसीटीवी फुटेज भी जारी किया गया है हाउस के अंदर।
वही तो कहा हूँ। सीसीटीवी फुटेज जारी कौन कर रहा है, ये भी देखना होगा। चारों एंगल आने चाहिए।
Yes, Raman Malik, please respond. The entire footage is not available. All angles are not there for people to make a fair opinion on what exactly happened.
The fact remains that all this, the government, the ministers have also already given a press statement stating that they have already called on the Honorable Chairman of the House to get a proper inquiry with all CCTV camera footage, all Rajya Sabha footage to be taken into consideration.
No, but why was the
strictest
telecast
action to
blocked?
be taken against.
I'm just curious. Why was the telecast blocked? That would have sorted it all out. It would have been visible for everyone to see and judge what happened. Why was that
I am not
blocked?
aware because I was not watching at that particular time. But let me answer to Anshul on one more issue.
Who will make
And
the
then I
inquiry,
will
Mr. Malik?
put
It will be
forward.
this government that will make the inquiry. Do you
Arre,
think
it
it
will
will
be the
make an
chair,
order
sir.
against itself? How can you have an inquiry?
Arre,
It's
it
just
will
an
be
Okay,
the
idea.
hold on, Anshul. Hold on. I'll allow you to respond. I'll give you your time.
Vice President
Why,
of
Mr.
India,
Kharge?
a partisan.
Just answer the charges, Mr. Kharge.
अरे
By
एक मिनट अंशुल
Mr.
जी मेरे को
Kharge,
ये
the very
बताओ
senior
मेरे
member
को
of
ये
this
बताओ
House,
the Vice
the
President
very
of India
senior
you
member of this
casting
House,
aspersions
he
on
knows
that
all the marshals. He knows what they are. They knows what they
Who
look
are
like.
नहीं, ऐसे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है रमन मलिक जी. आपकी बात समझ में नहीं आ रही है. एक-एक करके. Anshul, just hold on. Mr. Malik, please finish.
First of all, I condemn Anshul to be casting aspersion on the chair of the Lok Sabha, that is the Vice President of India also. Secondly, let me put it, when Anshul talks about propriety and you know what is happening, he must not forget the same way as a lot of media that called the then Prime Minister of India Poodle. पता है ना Poodle क्या होता है? And then, not to forget, on 9th of August.
Tell me what happened
9th
yesterday.
of August, sir, listen to me.
All the
I've
angles
got
of the
to
story.
listen.
Poodle
9th
still
of
up
August,
है.
you guys, and those people who are
अरे
doing
छोड़िए, हमारी बात
Gundaism,
अपनी बात करिए
who
ना
are
मलिक
doing
साहब. कल
Gundaism
क्या
in the
हुआ?
Rajya
हकीकत
Sabha,
बताइए.
these guys have threatened the chair. You will see dire consequences.
नहीं, consequences
will see
देखेंगे या
that-
नहीं देखेंगे, आप बताइए कि कल क्या हुआ. पूरी
So-called members of parliament said, is this
No,
what is
it's
going to be
absolutely
happening?
clear that there were unruly scenes. There was unparliamentary behavior. There was
Why did you
unparliamentary,
not condemn
uncharitable
it?
comments and remarks made. There is no doubt about it. All of that is there in public domain. But, Mr. Malik, the onus of the smooth conduct of the House lies with the government. And you're aware of that. Now, the onus and the responsibility of smooth functioning lies with the government. And in that, you have failed because the monsoon session could not even finish its due course. It had to be called off abruptly, and that is a shame, isn't it? I mean, here is an opportunity for people to listen to their leaders in a parliament session. People of this country are deprived of that.
If I do not have the intent to let this debate go on, will you be able to conduct this debate as a moderator? No. Because of the simple fact, because my intent is such that I will not let this debate go on peacefully. The same way as this entire jingbang of politicians who tend to show that they are capable of being in the upper house are doing the same gundaism that is expected out of street gundas. Because they want
But
either
didn't you
my way
resort to
or
the
highway.
same tactic? Didn't your leader Arun Jaitley say that this is a legitimate instrument in democracy to raise protest in the House?
आप bouncers
No,
ले आए हैं.
today it's a case of the pot calling the kettle black. I'm sorry, Mr. Malik. Yes, quickly respond, Anshul, and we have to close the show.
These are very, very serious charges that Mr. Kharge has leveled against this government. You got bouncers from outside to check parliamentarians. What other violations of democracy can it be? Mr. Kharge is a highly respected and senior member of this parliament. He recognizes marshals when he's seen it. He's been there. He's been there for a very long time. He's leveling these allegations. You are showing selective footage of what happened. You're not showing the entire footage. You have a press conference in which you dramatize everything in a highly Bollywood kind of way. Do you expect us to believe you? I mean, every time this government utters anything, you have to believe the exact opposite. You know, the government.
No, but
cannot
the
be
fact of
trusted
the matter
to do
is, let's
anything. The
concede that
Supreme
there
Court has
was
said it themselves.
the farmers'
Afrika.
issue. While the issue was discussed as well, there was pandemonium. So it is not as if the issues were not taken up. Even when the issues were taken up, the members were not maintaining discipline. It was one rare occasion of the OBC bill where there was unanimity and the bill was passed. That just shows that when the opposition wants legislative business, if they really wanted, it could have happened. So we will have to leave it at that. Unfortunately, the monsoon session of Parliament has come to an abrupt end. Raman Malik, Anshul, Abhijit, thank you so much for joining us on The Big Story here on Mirror Now.